guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the December Bellabox, so let's get into it. Alright, this month's box is so bulky it doesn't even shut properly, so let's hope they've included some really good goodies for their Christmas box. Cute little Christmas tree card. Oh, we do have a few goodies in here. The first one is a Swisse skincare product. This is the Manuka Detoxifying Clay Mask. It is full size and it is $21.99 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline and Swisse.com.au. Swisse Manuka Honey Detoxifying Clay Mask is a luxurious facial treatment formulated to draw out impurities and toxins, refine pores and improve skin texture to reveal a glowing, smooth complexion. So I do work in pharmacy and we do stock the Swisse skincare line. So I do have this product at my work. So it'll be great to give it a go just so I know what it's like for when I'm dealing with customers. So that's kind of good. And the fact that it's full size and it's a big, like heavy mask, I think that's really good. So that is what the jar looks like. Ooh, it is a black sort of clay mask. That's a great product, I think. We have a second Swisse product. It is the Argan Revitalizing Eye Cream. This one's full size, $16.99 at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse and Swisse.com.au. Swisse Argan Revitalizing Eye Cream is an ultra-hydrating formula that replenishes and refines the delicate under-eye area to prevent signs of premature aging for a more youthful and rested appearance. So yeah, another great product that I can try and recommend to some customers at work should I like it. I do have a lot of eye creams on backlog, so I don't know if I'll get to this one immediately. But yeah, another full-size product that is great to receive in the box, since we haven't gotten Swisse products in the boxes before, so it's great to try a couple out. We have a makeup product. This is the product that we got to kind of choose the color for. So this is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. This one is full size and retails for $19.95 at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Lipstick 8-hour matte lip color is an easy crayon formula. Draw it on with no mess, no fading and no problems. Keep the tip ultra precise with the built-in sharpener. You can easily apply your lip color no matter where the day takes you. So the shades that were an option was Laugh Louder, Live on the Edge, or Settle for More. So there were two kind of darker nudes and then this brighter like orangey red. So that's the shade that I picked. Laugh Louder, number 4. So there's like a little sharpener in the end that you can use to sharpen the tip. And it's stickied on. It looks like a bright orange red. That'd be fun to give a go. I wanted to get something a bit more fun rather than just like a brownie nude like I usually pick. So yeah, it was the perfect time to get out of my comfort zone. So we have a Cerave product. This is the Cerave Hydrating Cleanser. It's just a sample, but the full size 236 mils is $13.99. The 473 mils is $19.99, and the 1 litre is $32.99 at Chemist Warehouse. Cerave Hydrating Cleanser is developed with dermatologists to effectively cleanse and refresh without overstripping it or leaving it feeling tight and dry. Featuring 3 types of essential skin-loving ceramides and hyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin and help strengthen the protective skin barrier. The non-comedogenic face wash is an effective yet non-irritating way to start off any skincare regime for normal to dry skin, and it uses very non-irritating way to start off any skincare regime for normal to dry skin, as it uses MVE technology to provide 24 hours of hydration, suitable for normal to dry skin. Well, that is me. I have normal to dry skin, so I'm glad that I'll actually be able to give this one a go. So yeah, it'll be fun to give it a shot. I'm pretty sure we've received this before. But it's long ago enough where I can't remember my feelings on it, so I'll give it a go again, but I know we've had this before. We have a Nude by Nature product. I sell Nude by Nature in my pharmacy, so this will be good to give a go so I can see if I like it or not. This is just a sample, but the full 50ml size is $39.95 at Big W, Myer, Priceline, Target, selected Chemist Warehouse and independent pharmacies. It is a Nude by Nature Daily Moisturizing Lotion. A lightweight hydrating lotion that offers intense moisture to deliver smooth, naturally radiant skin. Formulated with active natural ingredients including cloudberry, shea butter, esters, and vitamin E to help strengthen the skin's natural barrier and protect it from environmental aggressors. Sweet almond oil nourishes the skin, and antioxidant-rich Cacao oil helps improve complexion and skin tone. Dermatologist tested, suitable with sensitive skin. Well, that is me. I have sensitive skin, so yeah, it'd be good to give this one a go. I didn't realize Nude by Nature had skincare. I guess because I just have the cosmetics at my work. But yeah, it'd be good to give it a go and see if they can do skincare as well as they do cosmetics. We have a bonus sachet. This is the Advanced Cosmetica Illuminating Serum. So that's nice. I've not really tried much from Advanced Cosmetica, so this serum will be fun to give a go. I might use it in the morning in my skincare routine. And we have a DoorDash card, no surprise there. And then an advertisement for Love Honey. And a advertisement for Nude by Nature. It's a 30% off card. If someone came into my work, I would probably give them the 30% off. But yeah, we definitely don't get told about these things working in pharmacies. So yeah, that's what we got in the box. So looking at what we got in the box this month, I must say it is definitely a large improvement compared to last month's box, which wasn't as amazing. The fact that we've gotten the 2 full-size Swisse skincare products is really great, as well as the Maybelline lip crayon, which is also full size. That's really great as well. The Nude by Nature moisturizer is definitely something I'm curious to give a go. The Cerave cleanser is kind of a meh, and the serum bonus is also really good. So yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with the box this month. To be quite honest, this box was going to determine whether or not I cancelled my subscription in the new year, and I think I'm gonna stay for now. It was basically, if this box is good, I'll keep going. If this box was not as good, I would have cancelled, and this would have been my last box. So yeah, I think I'm gonna hold on for a little bit longer, maybe a couple more months, and see how we go. But yeah, this is definitely a much better box compared to last month, considering we've got 3 full-size products that are all interesting and things we've never tried in the box before. So yeah, definitely a big thumbs up from me. I would love to know what you guys thought of the box. What did you get in your box? Did you like what you got? Did you like what I got? Did we get anything different or similar? And yeah, leave me a comment. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.